She doesn't really want to eat. She's like sneezing a lot. However, like she still will want to play. She's still really like energetic and playful. She likes to like she stopped eating after just eating just dog food. She stopped eating when a friend gave her some outside food, like human food. Then she didn't want to eat anymore at home. Yeah, she also like just bled a little, but I'm not sure if it's that she got a heat. She's acting like pretty normal, just that she's sneezing a lot. If anybody can help me know what it is, before I actually do decide to take her to the vet. Come on, Dallas. Dallas. Come on, girl. Come on. Dallas. 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 No. Dallas. Dallas. Sit. Sit. No. Come on. Up. Up. Dallas. Sit. Good girl, Paw. Good girl. Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Roll over. Oh, man. She just wants to play there. Yeah, if anybody could please help me. I just bought her. She just turned 5 months, and I would really, really hate to lose her. I love her so much already. Hi, say hi, Dallas. Say hi. Say hi, Dallas. Hi, Mama. Say hi. Come on. So, the sneezing kind of goes away. I mean, she doesn't like just sneeze, 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 but I think when she's more active, she'll start doing the, let's see, come on, come on, come on. Dallas, no, don't. She'll start doing that again. I just really want to know if it's that bad, severe to go take her to the vet, right? Say hi. Hi. Say hi to you too.